In Bijapur, a reserved constituency for scheduled caste, the current Lok Sabha representative Ramesh Jigajinagi from the Bharatiya Janata Party is gearing up for re-election. His opponent, HR Algur of the Indian National Congress, is competing for the seat. Jigajinagi is from the Madiga community and has 2 criminal cases against him and assets totaling 8.94 crore rupees. On the other hand, Algur's assets are valued at over 1 crore rupees. Bijapur, with a population of around 21.77 lakh, has approximately 16.22 lakh eligible voters. Among them, 8.47 lakh are male and 7.74 lakh are female. The constituency leans heavily rural, with 77% residing in villages and 23% in urban areas. Caste demographics reveal about 20% belonging to scheduled castes and nearly 2% to scheduled tribes. Voting in Bijapur is scheduled for May 7th, with results expected on June 4th. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salah Digital for more such updates.